Welcome to another video from California Datsun on one of our most completed, recently done restorations. This is a 1970 240Z done in sunshine yellow, and it's got obviously the polished mag wheels. That was a dealer option. We also have the steel wheels and the hubcaps for this car as well. It was rebuilt back to original specifications. No resto mod here, no fiberglass. This client wanted it to be as original as possible, and that's what we delivered. So I'll give you kind of a tour of the car and show you what we did, and then maybe later we'll post a test drive video also, because they sure are fun to drive. But that's a quick walk around. I'll just start with the rear end here. The Z got all new tail lights. The tail light panels were refinished. The bumpers were re-chromed. The exhaust was replaced with an original one. License plate light was restored. All the emblems are brand new. All the stainless was polished. The correct vertical line in the glass. Functional pointy tip antenna. Everybody loves those. It has true NOS genuine metal side emblems for the roof pillar. We talked about the beautiful 14-inch wheels. All the door handles and locks are brand new, again with the polished stainless on it. New mirror, obviously new wipers and restored wiper motor. More of the emblems. You can kind of get a better visual here of the beautiful paint. True Koito, however you pronounce that, factory headlights of the era. Same re-chroming of the front bumper, restored grille, again new emblem. We do restore the side marker lights as well. So that's a quick tour of the outside. Let's open it up here and show you a bit of the inside. We did put a brand new dashboard in it. Center console was restored. It does have a hand throttle, which is super rare on this car. It's got a 4-speed transmission, the original fully functional radio. It's got air conditioning, which was also a dealer option, and it's done to dealer specs. All the gauges were restored. This beautiful steering wheel was restored. The whole interior is brand new. New vinyl, new carpet. Seats were obviously restored. So we go through the whole thing. New headliner. Make sure everything works. All the visors get reupholstered. So it's a beautiful car. We did a lot of work to making sure all the hardware was accurate, and everything that goes with this car is accurate. Kind of going around the back to the other side here. I'll show you the driver's side, and then we'll look under the hood. But apologize about the glare, but it does look extremely nice. So let's pop the hood and take a look at what we did there. Okay, so this is numbers matching L24 motor with the correct E31 head, and we spent hours meticulously restoring and detailing this engine bay, making sure all the plating was correct, things as accurate as the hose clamps are there. The air cleaner is done properly. This car is before the decals, so that's why you don't see that. It actually has the original metal fan. A lot of folks are excuse me, big supporters of those fans, because they were replaced with plastic ones later because they're heavy and cause premature wear on the fan clutch. But for now, I don't imagine this customer is going to be driving it much. It's going to be as it was when he bought it at the dealership, or at least as close as we could get to it. That very cool, very rare 2400 valve cover that we go through like a several stage process. We have somebody who is real good with getting those back to the original texture, shine, and sheen as it was when it was original. Got the E31 head down there, the L24 block, the correct starter, and of course that ultra rare correct alternator. You can see all the braided lines, just extreme attention to detail. I mean, you know, down to the battery, finding those cables and correct battery cover. Even the battery decals are true for the day. So we did a lot of work on this and super proud of it. So if you're looking to have a Z restored by California Datsun, please give us a call, and we'd love to talk to you about what your vision is. Thanks for watching.